too rowdy, bro. Way too rowdy.
Shooting flames, cops, games, everything.
We got the entire squad, besides this guy, we got the entire squad out here, boy. Look at this. The whole gang's out here, man. You are not ready for what's today. Alright, what do you guys? I am back with another video. And like you guys saw, we are all outside today, baby. We are outside. We got a large car group going on. We got a huge car meet we're about to pop out to. So in Miami, we got this car meet. It's hosted by these people. It's called Daikoku, bro. They bring Japan to Miami, you feel me? And this car meet, I kid you not, the way it's set up, and I've been to Daikoku, you feel me? Go check out that vlog for me. But I've been to Daikoku. This place looks very, very similar. It's just Miami, you know what I'm saying? Same with the bridges, the parking lot, all of it. We got a spot just like it for all this car meet. So we're about to pull up there. And the craziest part about it, we got a special guest there, which I'm hyped about. That's why all these guys are going right now. Let's go see the one and only TJ Hunt. So we're about to pop out to Daikoku. I got 360 cam on the back. And every single car here, every single cool car you see here is outside mobbing with us. So we outside. Let's get it. Nah, we look stupid sick. We straight up took over this damn highway. We're all sitting in traffic right now because it is like rush hour. But you know, I got some footage for you guys. But yeah, it is rush hour, so we're on our way. We got like 17 minutes of traffic, so I'm not gonna put down 360. But we look sick as fuck right now. I can't wait till we get this meet. It's about to be hype. You, man, Oz is a smart one. That's why I rock with Ozzy, bro. I tell everyone, either come next to me or go in front of me with this 360 cam. It's the best for you. You can see it. And man's a genius. every car in existence out here tonight. we're mad deep out here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Stupid deep. And believe it or not, it's my boy's birthday. It's that boy's birthday. Hey, talk to him. Talk to him. Hey, birthday dance, birthday dance. No, I'm playing. Hey. No, it's lit, but we outside for real. That's dope. This shit's stupid deep. Well, first of all, I'm locked in. So we gonna be here to the... we just locked in, you feel me? This shit is GTA lobby. What the fuck, bro? This is the Daikoku I remember, bro. This is Daikoku I remember, for real. I need to go back to Japan, please. License plate's real as fuck. Koku, man knows what's up. Followed by the P1 or the 720. So far, things have been absolutely crazy. Then we ran into and met the coded YouTuber, TJ Hunt.
I got nothing to sign.
Stormi was sitting for a little bit. She was acting a little quiet. She said she had something to say. So I let her talk. Yeah, then after that, all hell broke loose. Uh-oh, the one that inspired me, bro. Let's get it, Ozzy. Get out my way, bro. I'm trying to see Ozzy, bro. Get out my way. Rowdy, bro. Way too rowdy.
Shooting flames, pops, pins, everything.
I'm terrified. No. I done started something, bro. It was me and my buddy Matthias. We started something, bro. You see him smoke, bro. I am not even trying to go over there. I'm baby. I was running towards this shit, bro. What's going on? I'm trying to go the other way. What the fuck? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Yo, that shit is crazy.
How you feeling? Happy birthday. How you feeling?
Here, sir.
Niggas fucking deaf on his birthday.
Great birthday.
So it is Miami F1 weekend. We had to finish it off with some F1. Let's get it. A calm little F1 weekend, you feel me? But the next day, I was trying to finish off the weekend with some more Miami vibes, and then this happened. Damn, just a normal day, bro. Me and Luca were trying to go to Miami. Got Luca behind me, you can see him in the mirror. We're just trying to get some E, and look what we came up across. What the shit, man? I was on 93.0 weekend. I'm about to reflash right now to get E. But these old dudes just got crazy whips, bro. That's crazy, bro. What kind of day are we about to have? This is nuts. The day that I'm about to have. Look at this, man. We're not out here racing or nothing today, but we got the Lambo, we got the fucking Hellcat, and we got an RA. How you guys doing? Got a Hell. What is going on? Man's got a parachute, bro. That's how you know he's locked in. Crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's a dream bike. That's crazy.
R1M H2, like.
That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, so this is the last year the R1M was made, and there's only 5,000 in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, so you're locked in. That's nuts, dude.
Expensive as fuck, though. That's for sure.
Hey, right? But it's low-key worth it, man. You got
Oh, I fucking love this.
you got a baby on your hands for real.
Hey, just gonna do it here. It's 30 minutes.
Just came up on some sneaks, you know what I'm saying? We outside with the boys. We outside. We outside. You know how it is. It was playing music here. It was pumping. What's up with the game? That's so funny. Haley came in here too. She was like, "Bro, I want this for my crib."
Hers, bro.
But he was taxing. He was like 800. And I was like, that makes sense. But it's because he wanted it though. You know what I'm trying to say? Oh, it looks so fresh and so clean. So fresh and so clean. Oh, and fresh and so clean. So fresh and so clean. These were the fenders I was talking about. I used to get them painted. I'm not gonna rock them just carbon. I think carbon yellow looks ugly. So I will get these painted. But that's a surprise. They're about to be painted special. So stay on the tune for that.